Harshnath Shiva Temple hides a forgotten tragedy. What Aurangzeb did here is truly heartbreaking.
So guys, now after Jeen Mata Temple, I am heading towards Harshnath Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva.
Sitting at 944 meters high in the Aravalli hills, Harshnath is about 180 kilometers from Jaipur, a 4 to 5 hour drive.
So guys, this is the new temple that you see here of Harshnath, whereas this one is 1000 years old and the oldest one. And the main important Harshnath temple is this, and this was demolished by the Mughals during their reign. But still the Shilpkala and everything you will be able to see.
Built in the 10th century by King Harshvardhan, Harshnath was once a grand temple of devotion. Today, only its ruins remain, whispering stories of glory, battles, and legends lost in time.
Temple was turned into ruins by Aurangzeb. All the statues that were carved here, they were demolished by Aurangzeb during his reign. Look at this, how beautiful the architecture here was.
Look closely at the pillars and carvings. They survived centuries of invasion.
These were the designs on the pillars and some statues that were demolished.
Harshnath Temple is not just history, it's a mystery frozen in stone. Step inside its ruins, feel the past, and witness the story Aurangzeb tried to erase. This hidden gem of Rajasthan is waiting for you. From the Temple Hill, sunsets over the Aravalli hills are considered among the most beautiful in the Sikar region.
What a beautiful line. Sustain your heritage and feel glorious.
Unlike famous Rajasthan temples, Harshnath remains a hidden gem, giving it a mysterious and peaceful vibe.
So guys, I'm done with Harshnath. It's very beautiful temple. I took some drone shot and some time lapse. Hope you guys will like it. And now I had plans to go to Bikaner, but now I'm going to drive to my friend who lives in a city called Didwana, and I'm going to meet him and stay there for tonight. So let's go. I'm getting nostalgia driving through these tiny villages, because even my villages look more or less similar. गए हैं भैया, ये है हमारा यार। राम राम भाई, क्या हाल चाल है?
बिल्कुल मस्त, एकदम बढ़िया।